So again, welcome back to the Risk Manager YouTube channel. So today, as you can, as per my experience, day by day, I'm improving while taking trades, and I am becoming profitable. But today was one peculiar bad day. Up till 2 o'clock, as you can notice from my trade journal, up till 2 o'clock, I was pretty profitable. The whole time I was profitable. But all of a sudden, after 150, I lost all the money. I had gained around 3000 rupees by naked options, and I had lost all the money, and in fact went into negative of 1700 rupees and lost all the money that I had made. The reason was simple. All along here, I was shorting and I made money. I took few scalps here, and as you can see, this is a major support, and I knew price will reverse from here, so I took a contra trade. Now, one thing that I'm doing wrong is I should always go along with the trend and go keep on shorting whenever it spikes. But what I did was I was more prone, or I was more aligned to take reversal trades. So I took more reversal trades instead of taking trades along with the trend. Okay. And the second time it came again with the support over here, again I took a contra trade. I took so many contra reversal trades against the trend that I lost all the capital. And the reason is, see, once I lost over here, the first time I lost money, that is around 763 rupees. That is, I took a reversal trade here, but I lost money. Okay. Then after that, again I took a trade because now the fear of losing profit kicked in. Because the fear of losing profits kicked in, I started taking kind of a revenge trade. I wanted to make all the money back that I had lost. In that instance, my thought process went out of the window, and it wasn't working properly because it was not aligned with my trading system. Now I was in a revenge mode, and I took so many stupid trades, and I lost all the money that I had made. So one thing I've realized is, my today, as you can see, more numbers I've made in profits, less numbers I've made losses. But my losses are big, and last three trades were completely illogical. They were against the trade, and there was a stubborn trading that was stubborn trading that I was doing. As you can see clearly, the price was down. All I had to do was go along with the trend, but I took a contra entry against the trend, and I was expecting reversal, although the market was pretty sure that it was going to go down. This was due to two factors. One, I had drawn a support level and I couldn't digest the fact that price will go below this, but it went below it. And the other thing is, OI data was suggesting that many buyers was sitting here. So OI data has such a big influence in my brain that now I'm totally dependent on it, which is wrong. OI data will tell you what can happen, but if at all the market reverses or market changes, OI data will change swiftly, and today it changed swiftly. All put sellers had covered and they went short. So there was a long unwinding going on, and as you can see, there are big candles here, and this was a pretty shabby trade that I had taken. So this was one big mistake I had done. And one more thing, today I had noticed I have a fear of losing money, and especially if I have made some profit, I have a terrible fear of losing money, which is why even the smallest and logical trades, I really tend to make mistakes at them. So I have to work on this, and I have to get over the fact that if you are making a profit, don't get influenced by the PNL. PNL, great traders are not at all influenced by PNL. They're totally influenced by their chart analysis. So, and my mindset needs to be strong in that area. So I'm very much getting influenced by my PNL, and my PNL is affecting me in taking decisions. OI data is affecting me in taking decisions. I should clearly be dependent on the chart analysis, which should be going more often along with the trend. If at all, if there's a strong support zone, then you can take a reversal zone. But if the trend is strong, just go along with the trend, find for shorting opportunities, then more likely you'll get a good uh, money to trade. So the mistakes today I had done was contra entry, a reversal entry, or you can say, and went against the trend, and fear of losing money didn't allow me to at least take SLs. I was just exiting, even if I had lost little money. That's the reason you can see that I had exited at 150 rupees, 240 rupees, 65 rupees also, which clearly shows that I was pretty scared of losing the money that I earned. I had earned till around 2700, 800 rupees, and I lost all of that and went into super negative at the end of the day. This all comes because of the mindset issues that I was going through. And when it comes to holding a trade, the psychology of my trade has it had improved, but now after entries are improving. Now I'm trading to support and resistance, taking the right entries. But the new issue now is holding onto your trades and letting your profits run, and being graceful of taking stop losses without any fear. Now that I have to focus on. That is the another next problem that I'm facing. That is the mindset to hold, to take an SL or to book a profit. Being strong enough in your mind. That is one other big thing I'm suffering now. And taking I'll work on it. I'll come back strong. I'll get through that also. That's not a problem. Now the other thing is, whenever a support breaks, only that think of extending the targets beyond that. See, as you can see, a support has been broken over here, which means only then you look for another shorting opportunities below it. So if you can see here, if I'll just close this, this support had been broken. So if this support has been broken, then look for shorting opportunities beyond this region. You can extend the target somewhere here. Okay, now if this support is also broken, then you can look for another targets beyond this region. What the problem that I used to do is I used to enter right at the right time. But my problem is that I used to just place the target randomly so far that it was ill unreasonable for the price to come till there. It would reverse before it only. So placing reasonable targets is very good, very important. Only in breakouts think of extending your targets. Otherwise, place in reasonable zones target also. Then only it will be more viable, and your the chances of booking profits will be higher. As you can see, these three trades, the majority of the money that I had lost was totally reverse trading. It was like serious reverse trading that was going on, which is not a good characteristic for any good trader. It's one of the worst, and my mindset was really disturbed. I mean, this is my trade psychology wasn't right, but again, I'll have to go through this. I have to work on this thing, and I have to get better at this, which I will be surely doing it. And while taking a trade decision, one more thing I'm experiencing is having conflict of mind in the direction. So if, as you can see, there was a clear trade, there was a clear breakout, and I knew price would go up till the VWAP, or at least till the uh, resistance that you can see over here, some higher resistance. I knew price will go till there without any doubt till I hear. But my conflict that it will go down, it will go down. That conflict led me to think that no, price may not go till there. So I missed on a trade over here. So I have to also go through, improve my intuition of taking decisions. So intuition I have to improve, and also my mindset to take an SL or hold on to a target, that I have to improve, and not getting influenced by PNL, that I have to improve, and don't being not being affected with fear of losing money, not focusing on the PNL, only focusing on the good quality trades that I have to work on. So these are the terrible mistakes that I've done for today. And other than that, clear support resistance buying that I had done, and 11 trades is too much trades. It's just like over trading, and that I have to work on. So that's it for today. This is my feedback. All the mistakes that I have done. Otherwise, I had done really good trading. Till 2 o'clock, my trading was really good. It's only after 2 o'clock I messed up everything in just three trades. It tells you that even if your mindset just changes a little bit here and there, things can go from good to ugly within no time. Just three trades changed my entire PNL scenario today. So that taught me something. It's a good learning. Failures are bound to happen. It's only important when you learn from your failures. It really helps in further taking decisions. So yeah, that's all for today. And have improved, have learned. I'm improving in all the mistakes that I used to do. Now I've stopped doing. I'm doing new mistakes again. I have to get improve on those also, and make it a consistent habit to grow myself in trading. So yeah, that's guys. And yeah, so thanks again. Good night. And yeah, sure. Thank you.